With the data maintenance feature in Document Capture, you can easily tidy up your system's database of old and unwanted data, whether it's captured words, generated values, or entire documents. Furthermore, the data maintenance feature ensures you stay compliant with the European GDPR legislation. To set it up, simply go to the Document Capture Setup page, where you'll find a new section called Data Maintenance. In the Retention Period field, you specify the retention period for captured words and generated values. And in the GDPR field, you specify the retention period for personal data and documents as required by relevant bookkeeping legislation. With the retention period specified, you can run the data or GDPR maintenance manually right here from the Actions bar whenever you see fit, or you can choose to automate it using job queues. Document Capture then removes all the data preceding the specified retention periods.